So hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today topic is robotics. Robotics is the interdisciplinary field of science and engineering that deal with the design, construction, operation and use of robotics. It combines a concept from computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and other fields to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks autonomously or with human guidance. Robotics involves robot design and development, creating robots with specific capabilities and functionalities, artificial intelligence and machine. Artificial intelligence and machine learning include enabling robot to learn, adopt, and make decisions, sensor system and perceptions, allowing robot to perceive and understand that environment, actuation and control, enabling robot to move and interact with their environment, human robot interaction, designing interfaces for human to interact with the robots. Robotic has applications in manufacturing and industry, automating tasks, improving efficiency and reducing costs, healthcare and medicines, assisting in surgeries, patient care and rehabilitations, transportation and logistics, developing autonomous vehicles and drones, service and hospitality, creating robotic for customer service, cleaning and maintenance, space exploration, building robots for planetary exploration and research, agriculture and environment, developing robots for farming, conservation and monitoring, security and surveillance. Creating robots for monitoring and responding to threats. The benefits of robotic include increased efficiency and productivity, improved accuracy and precision, enhanced safety and reduce risk, increased flexibility and adaptability, new capabilities and functionalities. However, robotic also raises concern about job displacement and employment, ethics and accountability, safety and security risk, dependence on technology, environmental impact. Here are some additional aspects of robotics. Types of robotics: industrial robotics, service robotics, autonomous robotics, humanoid robotics, social robotics. Robotic technologies: artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, sensor fusion. Robotic applications: healthcare and rehabilitation, manufacturing and production, logistics and transportation, agriculture and farming, construction and architecture. Entertainment and media, robotic challenge, navigation and localization, object recognition and manipulation, human robot interaction and collaboration. Safety and security, ethics and accountability, robotic trends, increased use of artificial intelligence and machine language, growing demand for service robots, advancement in humanoid robots, increased focus on robotic safety and security, growing investment in robotics research and deployment. Robotic in daily life, smart home devices, autonomous device, vehicles, personal assistant and robots, wearable devices and exoskeletons, robotics in education and research. There are just few examples of many exciting aspects of robotics. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative application and advancement in years to come. And the importance of robotic can be seen in various aspects such as improve efficiency. Robotic can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex and creative work. Enhance productivity. Robot, robots can work around the clock with fatigue, increasing productivity and reducing production time, increase accuracy. Robots can perform tasks with high precision and accuracy, reducing errors and improving quality, improved safety. Robots can perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury to harm or harm to humans. Cost saving. Robot can reduce labor cost and improve resource allocations, innovation and competitiveness. Robots can drive innovation, enabling business to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Improved customer experience. Robots can enhance customer service, providing 24/7 support and personalized interaction. Environmental benefits. Robots can help reduce waste, improve resource management, and promote sustainability. Assistance and support. Robots can assist people with disabilities, elderly care and healthcare, scientific research and exploration. Robots can aid in scientific discovery, space exploration, and environmental monitoring. Job creation. While robots may replace some jobs, they also create new ones, such as robotic engineering, maintenance, and training. Economic growth. Robotic can contribute to economic growth, generating new industries and revenue streams. The importance of robotics in evident in this potential to transform industries, improve lives, and drive innovation. As robotics continue to evolve, its impact will only continue to grow. Thank you.